Hello everyone! Before anything else, let me introduce first myself. I am Dorian Leslie Ibarra-Villanca, a student in calculus, as one of the descriptive course titled in my masteral majoring mathematics education. By this time, I'm going to teach to all of you one of the topics in calculus about volume of the solids revolution. So here is the example of the problem. Find the volume of the solid obtained by the rotating the region bounded by y is equal to the square root of x and y is equal to 110x about the line x is equal to 4 and the x-axis about the x-axis. First, we need to sketch the graph of the function y is equal to the square root of x. Then y is equal to the square root of x. And the next, we need to sketch the next function of y is equal to 1 over 10x in a line with a slope 1 over 10. Y is equal to 110x. And we are going to cut this off, which is x is equal to 4, and draw a line down when x is equal to 4. So we're gonna shade the region between the two functions up to x is equal to 4. So this is the shaded region. Now, we're gonna rotate this region about the x-axis. So rotate this one. So we're gonna have here rotation. So it will become this one. Now we're going to find now the volume of the solid. Okay, here is the figure of this region we're rotating. So we're gonna set up integral according to the formula. So we have now the volume of the solid is equal to pi times the integral from c to d, the big R of x squared minus the small r of x squared dx. Then the volume of the solid is equal to pi, the integral from here 0 to 4 with respect to x-axis, and the big R of square root of x squared minus the small of r, which is equal to 1 over 10 x squared, then dx. Okay, then let us operate. Is equal to pi from 0 to 4 with respect to x. Then the square root of x is equal to x only. And minus 1 over 10. Okay, the is squared is 1 over 100. Then x squared dx. Okay, let us integrate this one, which is equal to pi. Integration of x is x squared over 2 minus x squared. Integration of that is x cubed over 3 times 100 is 300 from evaluating 0 to 4. Next, we are going to plugging the x values. So we have now 4 squared over 2 minus 4 cubed over 300 minus 0. Then pi 4 squared is 16 over 2 minus 4 cubed is 64 over 300. Now, let us proceed. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 minus 64 over 300 times pi. Then find the LCD, which is 300 times 8 is 2,400 minus 300 divided by 300 is 1 times 64 is 64 times pi. Next, operate this one. 2,400 minus 64 is 2,336 over 300 times pi. So it's equal to, but we can reduce 2,336 over 300 into 4. So the answer is 584 over 75 pi cubic units. So that is the volume of the solid. So 584 over 75 pi cubic units is the volume of the solid of these two functions. Okay, thank you for listening and watching my video. Have a good day. God bless and bye-bye. Thank you, everyone.